surgical building, and you can see the destruction. So this is the office building and where the lab was. There's still the smell of smoke as you enter. It was burned. Destroyed, as you can see, just destruction everywhere. So imagine the horrors. The people being here for 2 weeks under siege, no food, no water. Very few staff left to take care of them, very few physicians or nurses. Most were captured, killed, or forced to leave. And they were here alone, starving, with the sounds of bombs and bullets raining down upon them non-stop.